Hi, I'm Grant. This is Dad Crafted, and this is the Mandalorian's rifle. All right, let's go.
This is Dad Crafted, and we making the
Mandalorian rifle. This is the toy version, as you can see. Kid size, kinda, to scale. We tried to mock up a Nerf blaster rifle and compare the size to that so that these guys could actually run around with it. So this is the rough sketch of what we're trying to do here. This is the end of the rifle, this is the stock. I ran out of room on the paper, so I redrew the stock. It's a really rough drawing, but all these are going to be made out of 2 different size dowels. We've got a few 1-inch sections, a few 3-inch sections, and a couple 1.5-inch sections. And then this part is going to be made by 1x4s, a couple 1x4s glued together to make it actually 1.5 inches. And then the stock I'm actually just going to do out of walnut, and that'll be a couple pieces glued together as well. Maybe planed down a little bit depending on how heavy it is, and then hardboard for this end piece thingy, 1/4 inch thick. Hopefully that will not snap when my children get a hold of this thing. And everything but the stock will be painted. Stock I'm leaving with fancy walnut.
But we don't know how much chapters it is. But Dad liked this whip, and that's why we make this. We may be gonna make another one or this one. But at the end we're gonna show something cool.
So, why did we decide to make the Mandalorian rifle, guys?
Because it's cool and let me show you how much it can do.
Alright, yeah, let's show them what it can do.
Okay guys, you maybe behind you is like a target, and I have to shoot at the 10. That means I stick like this thing you can take off and look at it, and you can zoom in, and we can shoot.
It's called a scope.
right here, and this gets a little too stiff.
Guys, what's the best part of the Mandalorian?
Shooting.
Shooting.
And stinging.
Stinging with this?
What's that toy he likes?
IG-11.
He loves IG-11. And it's in that movie, but it's a long time. Even him awesome and him do this. And Baby Yoda.
Man, spoilers. Are you giving spoilers away again? We're big fans of Baby Yoda. Alright, anyway, if anybody's watching this video and how to see how we built the Mandalorian rifle, they probably know a thing or two about the show. And
Bob built it.
Baby Yoda.
And Bob.
And Bob. And Bob built it. Yeah, Bob built a little bit better one than this. And really, Jon Favreau, if anything happens to Baby Yoda, should we talk about what this is made out of?
Yeah. It's made of like wood and metal.
Nope, no metal. Fake metal. All this is fake metal. How'd we do that?
Paint.
Paint. We painted it black, which was probably a little unnecessary. We primed it, then we spray painted it black, then we did the metallic white and blue, and then we painted some black over top of it and rubbed it in to make it look all worn and weathered like a Star Wars weapon straight out of the Rebellion. We made the stock out of walnut. That was probably a little excessive because it's already scuffed.
You see what I'm doing? Don't shoot me.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hope to be doing some more Star Wars kid versions, blasters, lightsabers, that sort of thing in the near future. Hopefully this video left you slightly entertained and maybe a little inspired to make your own Star Wars blaster.
Or something more.
Like what?
The Master Sword.
Master Sword.
Bye bye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
Peace out.
We're recording. Wait, don't talk over each other. We gotta talk one at a time, right?
Keep this one, but
we're doing it from here. Nope, we're doing it from here. Nip. Wait. Oh, careful. All right, bring it back. You're gonna drop it. Bring it back. Okay, regroup around Daddy. We gotta get back on camera here. Huh? No, we're not done yet. All right, get back up here. Come here. You gotta be in the camera. You're not gonna be in the video if you don't sit here for a second. Talk to the camera. Wait.
It's so cool.
Nobody can hear him talk when you do that. Come here. All right, let's do that real quick.
Let's get started.
No, this is the end.
And bye-bye, guys.